RISA TV presents in 3, 2, 1, Dateline Schools with your host, Terry Harrington.
Some of the top math and science educators from around the state are here at St. Clair County RISA for the one of the meetings of the Michigan Mathematics and Science Center Network. So this week on Dateline Schools, we have the privilege of learning about the network as we talk with St. Clair County RISA's Math Science Center Director, Jim Light, and also the Executive Director of the Michigan Math Science Center Network, Dr. Mary Starr. And Mary, what is the Mathematics Science Center Network all about?
So the network is a group of 33 centers throughout the state that are designed to create professional learning experiences for science and math teachers, as well as supporting science and math learning for students. So we have family programs, school-based programs, as well as after-school and daytime programs for teachers for professional development.
With 33 centers around the state, does that cover all of the school districts in Michigan?
So every single teacher and family in Michigan has access to at least one center in their area. Some of the regions that the centers provide services for are quite large. So we have a few that are 5 counties, but St. Clair County is just one county, and the Math and Science Center that's at the RISA here.
Great. So Jim, how did this whole network get started anyway, and how long has it been in operation?
It actually started 27 years ago. It was kind of the brainchild of our superintendent, Dan DeGrow, when he was in the state Senate. He wanted to, again, promote math and science like he did quite often while he was in the legislature, and created a group to try to take the benefits of leveraging. Each center would be doing, different things, but why not work together and create better products?
So actually there's power in numbers then is what we're trying to do.
Exactly.
Has it been pretty successful over the years, and have you seen this really growing?
Oh, yes. It's really gotten to be quite a large group, and we service a lot of teachers, a lot of students. Each center will have its own little niche that it tries to fill, but we have several projects that are statewide that are funded through MSP grants that have literally hit hundreds of teachers.
We'll be back with more tomorrow. For Dateline Schools, I'm Terry Harrington.